Whether you're hosting a Canada Day party or simply you want to indulge in some of our country's best ingredients, Chef Matt Dean Pettit has got you covered. He's here to show us how you can eat your way across Canada with recipes that will satisfy all of your Canadian taste buds. Chef,
Here we are.
Nice to see you.
What's going on? How are you, bud?
I'm great. So, you've got a lot of great stuff here. So
There's a lot happening.
Let's get right over here. And let's start with the beginning.
Okay, so Canada on a plate. So we're going to go sort of East Coast to West Coast.
Love it.
So PEI, let's start in PEI, one of my favorite provinces.
Potato.
PEI potato. So we've got a beautiful little new potato. So if you want to be my sous chef,
okay.
Then so let's start with first talking about the potato. We've got it stuffed with ground bacon, ground chicken.
Okay.
So we're going sour cream.
Yeah.
Just get right in there. Get in there. You know what I mean? We're at an outdoor barbecue.
I'm not gonna put any blue cheese
That's
on
fine,
mine.
but blue cheese is going to go in. You've got bacon, and you've got a little bit of a little bit of chopped chive.
Yeah, there you go.
So you're moving down in hot sauce,
I'm
right?
gonna put a little hot sauce on this, and of course I've got
So this is your classic sort of stuffed potato. So the potato's going to go in the oven, 45 minutes. You wrap them in tin foil, hit them with a little canola.
Okay.
You're going to eat it.
Yep.
It is hot out here. This is beautiful. So we're moving into Nova Scotia.
This looks fantastic.
So from PEI into Nova Scotia. So the Nova Scotia.
This is what you do.
This is what I do. I love lobster rolls.
What's the key to a great lobster roll?
So the key is you got to bring the heat. You got to bring the heat, guys. So the key is you've got to have a nice toasted bun.
Yeah.
So that's a top loader. If you can't find them in a grocery store elsewhere outside of these, get in, buddy. I made these for you. Oh, now we're talking.
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
Good. We got that. So top loader bun, buttered on either sides. Great East Coast lobster. Mayo, lemon, seasoning.
So good.
Right? So now we're getting into poutine.
Yes.
Right?
Come on. That just doesn't look like
I know you're a poutine guy. I know you're a gym freak, but I know we got to take our time.
What are
and
we
got
doing
it.
here? How did
this is take poutine and put it into a ball. So you've got Oka cheese from Quebec. You have aged cheddar and goat cheese. So this is a little bit of veggie gravy. So this is a vegetarian
should I
dish.
dip it?
Dip it, man. Dip away.
Really?
I'll get you a little napkin here, just in case.
I don't need a napkin.
No? You're good? Come on. It's hot. So you've got a beautiful, so deep fried. So you wrap the ball, aged cheddar, you've got your Oka and your goat cheese. Wrap it, set it in the freezer for about 6 to 12 hours. Let it set, and then you're gonna dredge it. Egg, flour, into canola, panko breadcrumbs, and you fry it off.
That's amazing.
Great for a party, right? We're doing the whole appetizer. This is Canada in an appetizer setting.
All right.
Outside
this
downtown
looks like
Toronto.
We're going a little sweet.
You're going a little sweet. So again, trying to watch what we eat. You're going heavy on this side. We're gonna do nice cream. So you've got nice cream being healthy ice cream.
Sure, okay.
Bananas. So 3 to 4 bananas into the freezer, let them freeze.
Okay.
You have a food processor, you do apple cider vinegar, fresh vanilla bean, a little bit of star anise in a saute pan, bring that to a boil. Put your mixture into the processor with your your bananas.
Okay.
Hit it on go. Simple. Kids can do this. This is perfect for kids at home.
Okay.
Set the food processor and you have a healthy. And I did this because it's strawberries and ice cream. We're in Ontario. I know BC across our beautiful country.
That's incredible.
Right? Strawberry season's now. Guys, do not eat strawberries outside of our beautiful sort of 2-3 week season.
Yes.
Right?
1,000 times yes.
Healthy.
And now we're going back to
we're going in West Coast now. So we're going West Coast from east to west. So this is literally west meets east.
Okay.
So you've got a beautiful fried wonton.
Okay.
So wonton wrapper, lightly fried in a shallow pan. Sriracha mayo, and then you've got a yuzu, which is like a Japanese citrus.
Okay.
You mix 50-50 water, yuzu, and you poach it. Okay. So you poach your salmon, 3 to 4 minutes, and you flake it off.
It is the prettiest thing so far.
There it is. Do you hear that? The prettiest dish.
It's the prettiest one.
This is a bit delicate, so this is great for a party. Right. So it is a little yuzu sort of wonton cracker.
I'm going to do my best
here,
of
course, bud. And he's wearing white, ladies and gentlemen. He's wearing white.
Yes.
Good?
Yes, queen.
Kimchi, spicy, sweet, savory, crunchy.
I'm going to hug you.
Oh, yeah, let's do it.
That was fantastic. Happy Canada Day to you,
Happy
Chef.
Canada Day. Happy Canada Day, bud.
All right. And the party doesn't stop here. After the break, we're going to drink. We're going to sample some great Canadian cocktails, so don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.
Love it.
That's awesome.
Awesome. Thank you.
Wow.